Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this OPPO. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select Clean section at the bottom left corner of it and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Following that, select Clear in the pop-up and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!